Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Welcome to our guide on how to make the most of Google Maps with these 5 useful tricks for your daily navigation. Trick 1. Effortless One-Finger Zoom. Ever wanted to zoom in with just one finger? Double-click on the map, then keep your finger on the screen and slide up and down. Trick 2. Leave reminders. Did you know Google Maps can remind you when it's time to leave? Select your trip, head to the triple dot menu, set your departure time and date, and Google will remind you. Trick 3. Parking Location Set. Click on your blue dot where you are now and go to the menu and set it as your parking spot. Never lose your car again. Very useful when you're in a mall car park. Trick 4. Custom label a location. Make your life easier by custom labeling locations. When you select a spot, add a label of your choice. This way you can easily find it later. Trick 5. Measuring distance. Ever needed to measure a distance? Drop a pin on the map, click Measure Distance, and slide to your destination. Google Maps will display the exact distance. Perfect for planning your journeys. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.